If you're thinking about buying Brainyideas FZCO, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before making that decision. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the insights to make an informed choice and ensure you're getting the most out of this product. And as a bonus, I'll even share where you can try it completely free from the first link below, so don't miss out on that. First things first, Brainyideas. FZCO is all about streamlining your processes, whether you're in marketing, IT, or e-commerce. It's been designed to help businesses optimize workflows with an integrated set of tools. But here's where it stands out compared to other software solutions like HubSpot or Salesforce. While those platforms can sometimes feel like overkill for smaller operations, Brainyideas FZCO provides just the right balance of features, focusing on simplicity while maintaining efficiency. Next thing, if you're comparing this to other business solutions, one of the standout features of Brainyideas FZCO is its ease of integration. Unlike some of the bigger platforms, it doesn't require a long onboarding period or complex setup. You can integrate it into your existing systems in a matter of hours, not days, which makes it especially attractive for businesses that want a smooth transition without a learning curve. The third thing, Brainyideas FZCO excels in automation. With everything from lead generation to customer service workflows automated, it frees up your time so you can focus on growing your business. Most competitors offer automation, but what makes Brainyideas FZCO unique is the level of customization available. You can tailor automation to your exact needs without needing a developer or IT specialist. The fourth thing, let's talk about customer support. A key consideration when choosing any platform is how well the support team handles issues. In my experience, Brainyideas FZCO has some of the best support in the industry. The team is responsive and their knowledge base is solid. Compare this to others, where you can sometimes feel like you're lost in a ticketing system. Brainyideas FZCO ensures you're not left hanging when you need assistance. Next, pricing. Brainyideas FZCO is competitive in the market, offering various pricing tiers based on your business size and needs. But here's the thing. With the free trial available, you get the chance to try out all the features without committing right away. This is a huge advantage over competitors who often lock features behind higher price points from the start. You get a good feel for the tool before you're asked to pull out the credit card, and that's something that's hard to find elsewhere. The sixth thing, flexibility is key when choosing business tools. Brainyideas FZCO's user interface is one of the easiest to navigate, which isn't something you can say about many platforms that try to do it all. The dashboard is intuitive, and the reporting features are robust but not overwhelming, which is a fine line that other platforms sometimes miss. This means you can jump right in, start pulling reports, and get actionable data without feeling bogged down by unnecessary complexity. Finally, let's talk about security. One of the most important aspects of choosing any software is knowing your data is secure. Brainyideas FZCO employs industry-standard encryption and has a clear, transparent privacy policy. This is especially important when handling sensitive customer data, and it's a level of trust that separates them from some of the more questionable competitors out there. So, if you're thinking about trying Brainyideas FZCO, click the first link in the description to grab the best free trial offer and exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else. Take advantage of the tools, automation, and support that could help take your business to the next level without the headache of dealing with more complicated systems. Make the smart choice. Try Brainyideas FZCO today.